Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Ron 300. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me and y'all. I told y'all I was gonna show y'all what I got from Spirit of Dubai. So, let's show y'all the unboxing real quick. A pre-unboxing. I'll do a more professional one, but I wanna show y'all what I got. Taraj. So, let's open this bad boy up. I cut it open a little bit so I won't have to struggle, but just so you guys can see. Oh wow, that's metal. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my goodness. It's metal right here. Like a brushed aluminum. That's pretty nice. Ooh. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at this little plastic thing. Let's do that. That is nice. That's nice. All right, so let me open the box and see what that is in here. That's beautiful. It's a little travel case. Which way is this open? This is my first Spirit of Dubai. I've had the samples and I've been wanting this brand for a long time, but they never been available. But now they are. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That is all the business. That's fire. That's fire. Let's take it out. Let's take it out of the box. Oh, they just started something. Look at that beautiful thing. Look at the bling bling. All the drip. All the gold. Pure luxury, man. Yeah, so that's my birthday. That's my birthday present to myself. Spirit of Dubai Taraj. Stay tuned for the full review. Till next time, like I always say. It's okay if you want to smell like Rome. I'll check you guys out later. Peace.